Last week, we heard that there was an FDA approval for Telisotuzumab, which is an antibody-drug conjugate against c-Met. And it's really exciting to have this option for patients. Specifically, this is for patients who were studied in the Luminosity trial. These were patients who had non-small cell lung cancer, non-squamous histology. Importantly, they were EGFR wild type. And what we saw was that these patients, despite being pretreated, had an objective response rate close to 35%, which was really exciting to be able to offer this new regimen to patients to provide hopefully more time with their loved ones and their family. The median duration of response was just over 7 months. And the most common adverse events we have to watch out for include neuropathy, fatigue, a decrease in appetite, and then edema. So just making sure that we're counseling patients about these potential toxicities, but then making sure we're checking for c-Met expression. This is a new biomarker that we need to be checking for, and that does have an FDA approval. I don't think there's one size that fits all on how to integrate the workflow of checking c-Met expression for patients with non-small cell lung cancer, but I do think it needs to be done. So there isn't necessarily reflex testing that everyone may be following, but making sure when you're thinking about different options, when you're thinking about how to sequence therapies for your patients with non-small cell lung cancer, remembering that biomarker that we do need to be checking to potentially offer an FDA-approved option for patients is really important. So I would say there's no perfect time or rhyme or rhythm of when to check it, but it's absolutely something that should be checked for all patients.